exactly do we transition from coding simple chatbots to architecting truly autonomous, intelligent systems capable of enterprise-scale execution? Building a basic AI script that responds to a prompt is a straightforward task. You write a few lines of code, test it locally, and it works. But deploying that same system so it reliably processes thousands of varied tasks without crashing requires a distinct set of engineering principles. This line graph compares prototype success against production deployment, and you can see the results of the industry-wide lack of standardized design frameworks. Without these standards, systems fail to scale past the experimental phase. To bridge this gap, Antonio Gulli published Agentic Design Patterns. It's an open-source GitHub repository built around a comprehensive 424-page guide that meticulously maps out the architecture needed for robust AI systems. This blueprint provides the structure required to move past experimental prompt engineering and into the realm of production-grade software architecture. This repository organizes AI behavior into 21 design patterns, progressing from core to enterprise systems. Foundational core mechanics include sequential routing and self-reflection. The production phase introduces robust exception handling, ensuring the system recovers from errors. By following these 21 patterns, teams can establish a unified, predictable language for AI behavior, which removes the guesswork from the design process. While the guide provides the theory, the repository is designed for active implementation. Each chapter is paired with a Jupyter notebook. These notebooks function as the developer's execution layer, allowing you to run the code samples directly alongside the theoretical text. You can modify foundational mechanics within these notebooks and immediately observe how those changes impact the agent's behavior in a local testing environment. This hands-on methodology ensures that abstract conceptual architecture translates into deployable, functioning code. The highest tier of the curriculum focuses on enterprise capabilities, which move AI development away from isolated scripts and toward integrated corporate assets. This branching decision tree visualizes a reasoning engine, governing nonlinear decision-making. These evolve through inter-agent communication, or A2A, networking specialized agents. With A2A, agents collaborate and execute complex workflows entirely without human intervention. At this massive scale, the enterprise AI system operates as a fully collaborative, self-managing swarm of specialized agents. The Agentic Design Patterns repository provides a complete, production-ready curriculum for building reliable AI systems. Its value lies in translating chaotic, abstract AI concepts into rigid engineering standards that can be scaled across an organization. As these systems grow more complex, the technical burden is shifting towards system architecture and scalable design. In this environment, the ability to build and maintain these structured frameworks is becoming a core requirement for AI development. If this saved you time, hit subscribe. Stay ahead. Agentic design patterns are the future.